Hello traders, good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ali Abbas at Stock Daddy 41. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. Let's get on with today's market move. So the post-market analysis on Bank Nifty is that it opened flat and a little pump and then a dump in the first 5 minutes and then a drop, and as usual what has been happening for the last 1 week in the last 5-6 trading sessions is there was a dump and then suddenly a pump and then a range. So that's exactly what happened today, and we started with a VWAP of 52,300. So I'll just take you to the call side. So this is 52,300 call side, and as you can see there were no trades triggered today, no levels, no buy, sell, short, nothing. So it dipped and then went up and then it just ranged the whole day between 520 to 400. A lot of zigzag moves, some trapping up, some trapping down. So there was nothing that happened, though even it did go up to 50 to 500. Here also there was no indication. VWAP was at 52,500 after 12 o'clock. So even when we switched over here, there were no trades on the upper or the lower side. So let's go on to the put side now. Here we are on the put side, 52,300. In the opening, there were two big candles up from around 320, 30. It went all the way to 420, 415, 420, and from there it just nosedived, and there was no trade till 12 o'clock. So after 12 o'clock, we switched on to a higher premium, which was above 300. Yeah, this was it, 52,600, and the buy signal came right over here at 110. The whole day nothing happened, and then finally we got a buy signal over here. Within after 10 minutes it hit the first target, and then it just went zigzag, and I finally exited over here. I didn't trail my stop loss because seeing all the zigzag movement, I was waiting for these highs to break or at least the second target to touch so that I can eliminate the risk. That didn't happen. It just went up and down. There was a lot of heart-wrenching moments over here and over here when it was very close to the stop loss. I thought, I'm going to end the day in loss, but it actually was only 8% on one lot, and we exited over here. As you can see, the time over, so it exited exactly at cost. So I'll take you to the Excel sheet now. So there was only one trade today at 110. It was the put by 52,600. One lot was booked at 327, and there were no other targets met, and the stop loss was at cost as I showed you, and the total points was 24. So my target for this month is 3,000. I am going to increase the lots now. I'm going to go with 5 lots. Initially I was working with 4 lots on the buy and the sell. So right now I'm going to work with 5 lots on the buy side and stick with 4 lots on the sell side. Now though even I made more points and money on the sell side, I'm still going to stick with this strategy of 5 lots on the buy side and 4 lots on the sell side. So I hope you guys had a good time in June. Let's look forward to getting some good points in July. Thank you so much for tuning in.